The biggest problem with client messaging is that they like to reach out to you in all kinds of ways. Slack, emails, LinkedIn, and even WhatsApp. Nobody has the time to check all of those places, and there's no clear shared record of who said what. The best thing to have would be a single spot for client inquiries, quote requests, and order messages, making everything organized and easy to find. You can also message staff team members directly on orders using the message team feature here. And this is what a team message looks like. Clients can easily work with their team members by adding them in as collaborators, giving them access to shared orders, tickets, and even invoices. Adding a team member in with these permissions would basically allow them to collaborate on everything relevant to the team leader. At this point, they'll get an email notifying them that they were added into a team so they can log in and start working. A big issue you'll experience is that you can get the best tools for your clients, but they won't use them because they're used to emailing things back and forth. With SPP, clients can continue to reply via email if they prefer to, or just use the portal to send you messages directly. In the past, your clients would have to reach out to you manually, where you'll collect information from them using something like a Google form, add the information into spreadsheets or other software used to process orders, and then get work done that way. With SPP, your clients have a separate resource for each order they have with you, where they can message you on order level and keep everything neat and organized. To add to the point that I mentioned earlier, you'll see the team member that Jim added has been added to the order automatically. To help streamline your client communications further, you can also create contact forms that can be embedded into your website via iframe, widgets, or you can even send links to clients for them to fill them out. Here's what the contact form builder looks like on the admin side. On the left, you can see all the fields and the form information that we've added in, and on the right, you can see the fields that you can add in by simply clicking on any of them. Here's what a contact form looks like embedded on your website. The client's able to fill it out easily, which automatically creates an account for them in contact status if they don't have an account with you already. If they do, it attaches the ticket to their existing account. This also creates a relevant ticket for you to respond to from your portal. Here's what that looks like with all the information the client provided. You can see the fields the client filled out, their message, as well as what form they filled out on the right here. All messages you see on the portal can be either replied to directly from here or via email. Messages will automatically get posted in the relevant resource whenever a staff member or client replies via email. If you're worried about clients in different time zones and respecting their work hours, you can schedule messages to be sent out automatically at any point in the future. This is what a scheduled message looks like on your workspace. Clients, as well as staff, can get notifications both in-app and via email depending on how they configure their notification settings in their profile. There's also open tracking, so you can make sure a client received your email. There's also a progressive web app that you can download and receive push notifications directly on your phone if you prefer. Tickets and orders can be auto-assigned in a bunch of different ways. You can add an account manager to a client where any order or ticket that comes from them would get automatically assigned to the customer manager you've assigned. You can also set up auto assignments on a service level directly by going to the service and checking the assigned to a team member checkbox. Alternatively, you can even set up individual tasks on each service and configure automatic assignments on them, so the relevant staff member is assigned only when their input is required. For more tips and tricks on how to run your agency better, check out our YouTube channel. And if you'd like to learn more about the portal I've been showing you in the video today, visit the link in the description down below.